The rice paragraph. Rice is the popular corn. The most of the people rice to eat and eat mixed by the boiling rice. It is belonging by the farmers in the wet and hot temperatures. The bread paragraph. The bread is the popular food and the most of the persons likes and happy to eat. It mixed by the wheat and water and salt. How do you making the orange juice? At first I have bought the fresh orange from the available markets and then I wash it and peel the orange and remove the seeds and the pieces of orange are put into the juicer's machines and switch on and then the liquid juices are poured into the bottles. How do you wash the dirty clothes? At first I collected the dirty clothes and put into the washing machines for washings and some water and detergents poured into the machines for clear and then I covered the open and I opened the machine's cover. Then I switch on the board and then it dry the all clothes after washes. Others conversations and paragraphs. Hi mom, how are you? I am fine. How are you baby? I am fine. When will you come here? I am waiting for you long time, so I am confused to meeting and seeing you, baby. Yes, I have the same conditions, but I have not time to meeting and seeing you. But I am thinking a plan that I of course meeting and seeing you for the summer vacations. Yes, others conversations. Hi mom, how are you? I am fine. When will you come here? I am come here 30 minutes ago. I am very happy to meeting and seeing you. So I have a plan to travel with you after evening. Okay, I am hope that I have very enjoys to the whole times with you. Hi mom, my birthday has been coming after 2 days. You remember to it and have you arranged a birthday party? Yes, I remember to it and I have a birthday parties and arrange the parties who are called your parents are called and I want that you have a fun of lots. Okay mom, I am very happy.